Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to play the Gibberish game on Instagram. So this will work for iPhone, Android. It's going to be the same process whatever mobile device you're using. So first off, click on the top left hand corner where your story is, click the plus there. Then once you get onto that where your camera is, you want to scroll along the bottom where the filters, and then say click browse effects, and then you're going to want to search in Gibberish. That's going to be the one that you're going to want to get. So type that in, that's the spelling there, click return, and then you'll see it right here. You're going to want to click the one at the bottom left right there, and that's going to be the Guess the Gibberish challenge. So click on that, then you want to click on the bottom left hand corner where it says try it. And then it's going to bring up like the Guess the Gibberish thing. You'll press and record to launch. So then it's going to press that in, and then you'll see at the top of the page what the thing is. Then you've got 10 seconds to guess it, record it, and then you can then go off it. And then once you've recorded it, you can watch it back here, because obviously you've only got 10 seconds to do it. And once you've done that, you can go and send it out of your story or your close friends, etc. like that. So that's how it's done. So leave a like on the video if you're going to go out and do this. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on the screen to see more how-to videos on the Instagram app and other ones similar. But that's it for now. I'll see you on the next video.